In this video, I will explain how to check variable is stationary or non-stationary by applying root test or Dickey-Fuller test in EViews. When I say variable is stationary, it means variable has the same mean, variance, covariance across time. How to check variable is stationary? I open EViews to run the root test. I drag and drop my data file, and then I click on Finish button to upload the data file in EViews. Then I double click on crude oil price. Then I go to View menu and select root test, standard root test. Most popular test is augmented Dickey-Fuller, and I'm going to check my variable at level. Then I click OK button. So result is here. I copy the result and paste into PowerPoint slide to increase the font size. Before explaining the output, first I explain the idea of hypothesis of root test. If you see here, null hypothesis says a variable has a unit root, or in other words, we can say variable is non-stationary. What does it mean? If you consider an autoregressive model, yt is equal to alpha plus rho, yt minus 1 plus error term. If rho is equal to 1, it means the impact of previous value on current value is persistence. It will never die out. It means variable will remain non-stationary. So that's why in null hypothesis, we say variable has a unit root or variable is non-stationary. In alternative hypothesis, variable has no unit root, or we can say variable is stationary. Now I show the output that is taken from EViews. If you see here, null hypothesis, crude oil has a unit root. It means if null hypothesis is accepted, it means crude oil is non-stationary time series. So if you see the p-value here, that is 0.5472, which is greater than 0.05. If we taken the criteria of 5%, alpha is equal to 5%, so p-value is greater than 0.05. It means null hypothesis is accepted. It means crude oil has a unit root, or in other words says crude oil is non-stationary at level. Now I check my variable at first difference. I go to View menu and then select standard root test. And now I click on first difference. Click on OK button to run the test. I copy the result and paste into the PowerPoint slide to increase the font size. If you see here, no, p-value is less than 0.05. Here you see p-value 0.00. It means it is less than 0.05. It means we can reject H0. When we reject H0, alternative is accepted. And if alternative hypothesis accepted, alternative hypothesis, variable has no unit root or variable is stationary. So what we concluded, at level, crude oil price is non-stationary, but at first difference, crude oil price is stationary. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.